Mastering the push-up.
Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise for building upper body and core strength. While they seem simple, many people struggle with proper technique. Improving your form not only maximizes results, but also helps prevent strain or injury. Let's explore the 5 most common push-up mistakes and how you can fix them for better workouts at home.
Mistake 1. Poor hand placement.
Placing your hands too wide or too narrow makes push-ups less effective and can stress your wrists and shoulders. Hands should be shoulder width apart, directly below your shoulders. This position helps engage your chest, triceps, and core evenly. Adjust your hand position to ensure your wrists are stacked under your elbows as you lower yourself.
Mistake 2. Letting hips sag or rise.
Allowing your hips to drop towards the floor or stick up in the air breaks your body's straight line. A strong push-up requires a plank-like posture. Tighten your abs and glutes, keeping your body aligned from head to heels. This maintains core engagement and protects your lower back from unnecessary strain.
Mistake 3. Flaring elbows outward.
Many people let their elbows flare out horizontally as they lower into a push-up. This can put excessive pressure on the shoulder joints. Instead, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your body, not straight out to the sides. This safer position also activates your chest and triceps more effectively.
Mistake 4. Incomplete range of motion.
Doing only half reps, either not lowering yourself enough or failing to push all the way up, limits strength gains. For full benefits, lower your chest until it nearly touches the ground. Then press up until your arms are straight. Quality matters more than quantity, so prioritize good form over speed or high rep counts.
Mistake 5. Forgetting to breathe.
It's easy to hold your breath while concentrating on each push-up, but steady breathing helps power your muscles and maintain rhythm. Inhale on the way down and exhale as you push back up. This simple breathing pattern improves endurance and keeps you mentally focused throughout your set.
Achieve better push-ups at home.
By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll perform push-ups more safely and efficiently. Focus on quality movement rather than high numbers, keeping your form sharp with each repetition. With consistent practice, you'll build strength, endurance, and confidence in your push-up routine, bringing you closer to your fitness goals.